guys, we are from group 11. We are in international dormitory. We want to look for and interviewing our foreign. Before that, we will introduce ourselves. My name is Angelina.
My name is Fadlia Didi Ahmad.
My name is Satya Satyarthi.
So, see you guys. Hello friends, this time we will to interviewing our foreign. Before that, we will introduce ourselves. My name is Angelina and my friend.
My name is Satya Satyarthi.
I am Fadlia Didi Ahmad.
And what is your name?
My name is Soham.
Where are you from?
I'm from India.
India.
How long have you been here?
I've been in Indonesia since 8 years, but in Malang I've been since 3 years, almost 3 years.
Why did you choose to study at Malang State University?
Well, actually I did not choose, the university chose me because, during COVID I had nothing to do, and then I got to know about this scholarship and then I applied for it, so I got it.
How do you feel about the education system itself?
Personally I believe that everything in life can be constantly improved upon. So, education is also one field that can always be improved upon. There is always room for improvement. So, here being in Malang, being in UM, I feel that there can still be a lot that can be done to improve the education. And one thing that I strongly feel being an international student here is to maybe have like a bilingual class for international students to understand better. Yeah, that's one of my suggestions.
That's good. What is your favorite thing about living in Indonesia or in Malang?
Well, Indonesia is so diverse. Like every place is different from others. So from Malang, I can say the weather is probably my favorite thing. Yeah.
What was your first impression when you arrived in Indonesia?
I came to Indonesia for the first time in 2016. So I came to Bali that time, and I feel like I was entering paradise. It was so beautiful that right from the air, I could see the sea, and when it was landing, it felt like it's going into the sea because the airport is just next to the sea. So I think that was one of the best moments for me.
Do you plan to stay a long time or move us here?
In Malang or in Indonesia? Malang, not a long time. No. Indonesia, maybe yes.
How do you spend your free time?
My free time, so I like to go for long walks. Walking. I like to go for long walks. I sometimes play badminton, and I also go for a run many times. And otherwise, just be in my room, listening to some music or watching some movies, reading a book. So yeah, things like that. Wake up in the morning. It depends, like if I have a class in the morning at 7, then I'll wake up early. But like every day can be different. So I don't have I don't have a fixed time.
So you live in Indonesia 3 years?
In Malang 3 years.
Oh, 3 years.
Indonesia 8 years.
Oh. So can you tell me about
my hometown? So I'm from New Delhi in India, and New Delhi is like a metropolitan city. So it's very different from like I've only lived in Bali and Malang in Indonesia. So New Delhi is a very fast-paced life. Like everything's happening very fast. People are always busy with their work or going somewhere. So Indonesia, I feel, is more slow-paced because Bali is like a tourist island, so everyone is like very relaxed and very laid back over there. And Malang, on the other hand, is a bit different because Malang has a lot of universities. So Delhi in comparison to Malang and Bali is, I mean, maybe you can compare Delhi with Jakarta or Surabaya. So it's a very fast-paced life. Yeah.
Can you explain between Indonesia with your country?
Actually, as a matter of fact, there are a lot of similarities between India and Indonesia. Because like in India, we have so many different states which have their own language, their own cuisine, their own clothes. So that's a bit similar with Indonesia also. Like every other island will have their own cuisine, their own language, their own clothes. So I mean, there's a lot of similarities in terms of the diversity that exists in Indonesia and India. So I mean, rather than differences, I would rather focus on the similarities. And India and Indonesia, we share a very strong historical bond, because in history, there were a lot of kingdoms from India that had come to Indonesia. For example, Majapahit was one of the kingdoms from India. So lots of similarities. Yeah.
How did you prepare before coming to study there?
Oh, that was I came back in 2022 January. So that time there was still COVID going on. So I had to get a lot of tests done and that PCR report, and I had to do a quarantine in Jakarta. So yeah, I did a quarantine for 7 days in Jakarta.
Do you know about the rivalry between Arema and Persebaya?
No.
Persebaya Surabaya.
No, I don't know.
Closing.
So that's our interviewing. Thanks for your attention. Thanks for